I'm Ryan Agoncillo, and this is your cover story.
I don't entertain the idea of being successful. Kasi ayokong pumasok sa sistema ko. Kasi there are times, di ba, na kahit sabihin natin na, hindi mangyayari sa akin yan. Hindi natin napapansin na may mga nagagawa tayong mga bagay na we don't usually do before. When I was a kid, I was just dreaming of one day I just want to be inside the television box. Yun ang motivation ko, parang dapat nasa loob ako ng TV na yan. Yun lang. Pag nakita ko na yung sarili ko, ayos na ako. But hindi ko inisip na hindi ko inambition at all na maging kilalang kilala or lagpasan pa yung dream ko na makita ko lang yung sarili ko sa TV. Nung time kasi na yun, kami ni Gladys, hindi kami aware na nakikilala kami ng tao. Kasi patay na oras kami, 14. I was 14 yun. Gladys was 15. Hindi naman ako idealistic, but maybe because I trust too much, and yung trust ko yun, hindi ko ginagawang showbiz sa mga ka-love teams ko. Yung nakikita na tao sa akin, yun kasi ako. That's really me.
She was a kid when she first entered the battleground called showbiz. Raw and naive, who would have thought that this once-child actress would eventually steal the hearts of Filipino showbiz fans? Since her arrival, TV has never been better. Judy Ann Santos now tagged as a phenomenal star of the new millennium.
Judy Ann Santos may be considered now as the biggest star this side of Tinseltown. She's been a phenomenal drama princess.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ako binibigyan ng Diyos ng ganitong klaseng pagsubok. Bakit para sa pakiramdam ko, tuwing makakabangon ako, gusto niya ako binibigyan ng bagong pagsubok para makapagsa. Ako
She has enormous clout at the box office.
Nakita mo kung magwala. Pag-asing. Inalam mo buong pagkatao ko mula utak hanggang bitukan. Pagkatapos, ganito gagawin mo sa akin. Huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa, ate.
Alam mo ba kung bakit nagsisikap ako makatapos ng pag-aaral kahit halos hindi ko na kaya? Dahil naipangako ko sa mga magulang namin na magkakaroon ako ng magandang buhay.
And one of the most influential product endorsers in the advertising field.
For almost 14 years in showbiz, what makes Juday Star continue to shine? Her trick, not to put success in her head.
Nearly 25. How would you rate your success? 1 to 10.
Siguro 6. I don't think of it kasi. I don't entertain the idea of being successful. Kasi ayokong pumasok sa sistema ko. Kasi there are times, di ba, na kahit sabihin natin na hindi mangyayari sa akin yan. Hindi natin napapansin na may mga nagagawa tayong mga bagay na we don't usually believe on.
Juday has also been targeting areas to the throne of the Illinois. For reasons such as a certain appeal to the masses, the child could be at par without a superstar, and, oh yes, she also has a singing career.
It's an accidental singer, she says, but hey, an album is still an album, Juday.
I want to ask you about this new thing that's happening sa career mo. Yung pagiging recording star. What's up with that? Tell me, what's going on? How's your recording going?
Actually, kasi hindi ko talaga siniseryoso. Kung ako lang, not for anything else, ayoko talaga. Kasi alam ko kung hanggang saan yung limitasyon. Alam ko kung hanggang saan ko kaya.
Okay.
And singing is not my forte. Pwedeng kay Piolo yan, pero sa akin, tanggap kong hindi ako singer. Nagpo-promote lang ako. Pero hindi ko kaya mag-concert ng Araneta, hindi ganon.
ano bang ano mo? Ano ba yan? Britney Spears ba yan? Celine Dion ba yan? Madonna ba yan?
Hanggang ano lang ako, second voice na nga lang ang gusto ko. Yung ghost na nga lang, yung ganun. Hanggang ganun lang, hanggang mahahangin lang na kanta ang kaya.
Masusundan ba? Yung album mo?
Hindi siguro. Hindi siguro kung masundan man ako na magpaproduce na.
And not to mention, Juday has already embarked on another career. She now owns and manages a vegan to Bar Jewels in Quezon City.
Decision lang. I just told my friends to help me look for a place in Quezon City area. Gusto ko bahay lang. That was the time na may problema ako sa partner ko dun sa kabilang bar. Sabi ko, I need to put up a bar because I was really depressed. And I feel na yung mga taong umalis nun sa Kilimanjaro, nakakargo ko sila. And maraming walang trabaho ng time na yun. Kaya yung urge ko na dapat matayo ko na agad to in a month's time.
Julianne Lumagay Santos was 7 when she started joining the movies. 3 years after, she was given her own soap series.
That being your biggest break, kumbaga kung meron kang favorite, is it Ula, is Mara Clara, Esperanza, or your current soap? Ayun yung recent soap mo, na si Pachuchay ka. Which would be your favorite na titignan mo?
Siguro, yung Ula. Siguro kasi unang-unang series ko siya and at the same time, lahat kasi nung kasama ko doon, naging tatay-tatay ko. Karamihan nun lalaki. And at that time, I was longing for, a father figure. And hindi ako masyadong close pa nung time na yun sa brother ko kasi layo-layo ng gap namin eh. He stays in Manila and I stay in Antipolo. So, malaking-malaki yung difference namin.
But her biggest break came when she was asked to play underdog Mara in the soap Mara Clara.
Mara Clara. the soap with Gladys Reyes. Nung time kasi na yon, kami ni Gladys, hindi kami aware na nakikilala kami ng tao. Kasi patay na oras kami, 14. I was 14 then. Gladys was 15.
At that time, Juday was clueless that she'd eventually be the most sought-after actress in local showbiz. But it wasn't pure luck, she says. Whatever the rewards she's reaping now are products of her hard work and patience.
Did you ever think about it for yourself? Did you want to be this successful?
No, actually, when I was a kid, I was just dreaming of one day I just want to be inside the television box. Yun ang motivation ko, parang dapat nasa loob ako ng TV na yan. Yun lang. Pag nakita ko na yung sarili ko, ayos na ako. But hindi ko inisip na hindi ko inambition at all na maging kilalang kilala or lagpasan pa yung dream ko na makita ko lang yung sarili ko sa TV.
Paano mo nakuha yung acting talent? Was it something you trained for? Yung nag-workshop ka ba? Or naturally, you just had it in you?
Ang tendency kasi ng isang bata, pag maraming tao, diba? Tapos sinindak ka, maiiyak ka kagad eh. Mababaw talaga yung luha ko. And at the same time, siguro, marami akong mga artistang napapanood na ginagaya ko. Yun ang isa sa mga pinapanood ko lagi sa Julie Vega. Pinag-aralan kong mabuti yung iiyak ka ng walang expression yung mukha mo. Talaga nakatingin lang ako sa salamin. Talaga.
And after 14 years, Julianne is as popular as ever. Just recently, she starred opposite love team Viola Pascual in the movie Till There Was You. And here, Judah admits that their love scene was one of the most challenging scenes she has done so far.
Yung love scene. What did you do that? Yeah. Part of being an actress. And at the same time, I can't do cutie roles forever.
Ano ginagawa mo dito?
Titimaan na kita!
Sandali! Ano ka mahimik? Ano? Ba't ka nandito?
Titimaan na kita!
Ano? At age 24, Julianne has definitely gained all the admiration and respect that many thought only a Nora Honor would have. She's seen it all, but it seems that the word quit isn't in her dictionary. Overwhelming as it is, Judai's career still continues to soar.
It just happened. It just happened. At that time kasi I was depressed. And, hindi. Both. Hindi, kasi both na huli ako.
Sige.
Ay, tama na tama.
Eugene, table 5. Okay. Thank you. Now that Julianne feels more secure in her position in showbiz, she's learned not to care too much about what people expect from her. Well, she has accepted too that she almost does not have a personal life. It's an open book. Everybody knows everything to know about her. Well, that's what you think. Here in Cover Story, Julianne spills some more of her leftover juicy ears. Watch this. Things are going for giving us the rule. But fame can sometimes be overwhelming. As always with fame, intrigue follows not far behind.
Maraming mga kabataan ngayon na pag sinabing artista, mga ganun, what? Ano ba?
Yeah, you know, it's pathetic, diba? The way na. Pero I bet they're excited that you're in the same room.
Well, I hope.
Diba? I mean,
I mean, there's no denying. Sabihin mo ng, oh, yeah, artista. But then, man, the fact that they know you, the fact that they acknowledge your existence, and you're entering a room, major significance.
Well, that's a very, very nice word to hear from you. Parang nakakasarap ng pagtatrabaho yung ganun. Pero talagang tinaas ko na yung pa ako, sorry ha. There are times kasi na, ewan ko, ako lang kasi masyado kung anong tao eh. Kaya ka nasasabihan na suplada.
Reverse suplada ka ngayon. Yung baga sinupladahan ka, supladahan mo rin.
Hindi kasi ako palaway eh. Hindi ako palaban na tao. Yung hindi kita papansinin. Kung hindi mo ako papansinin, kung susupladahan mo ka, edi supladahan mo ako. Saya ka din eh. Hindi niyo ko kasi alam yung trabaho namin. Tao lang kami. Eh, buti kayo sa opisina lang kayo nagtatrabaho. Yung routine na yung ginagawa niyo. Unlike kami, napaka-erratic ng schedule namin. And we have to adjust dun sa ganong klaseng pamumuhay. So sana kayo rin mag-adjust kayo sa amin.
Right. Ano yun eh, tawag dito. Yung the trappings of being a celebrity, diba? Tsaka yung mga problema. Because you gotta please them.
Yeah, parang artista ka eh. You have to act in front of everybody na you're happy, even if you're not.
What can you say to those people na sabi that being on the heavy side gets in the way of success?
Nung time kasi na tinitira ako na mukha akong aparador, mukha akong siopaw,
What do you have to say to them?
I just smile back. Okay. And hinayaan ko muna silang magsawa.
Eat your hearts out, man. Look at my movies.
Actually, may file ako ng lahat ng mga nag-write up sa akin na ito yung itsura ko. I know them. Each and every one of them. Hindi ko naman sila binabalikan, pero gusto ko kasi one day, pag tinignan ko ulit ang file na to, okay, ito yung pinaka magiging drive ko eh. Tapos hinayaan ko na muna silang magsawa sa akin. Kasi ang motive lang nila naman ng time na yun, papayatin ako agad eh. Parang sa akin, huwag niyo akong unahan.
Judy Ann was once a subject to a heated argument between showbiz host Chrissy Fermin and manager Alfie Lorenzo. To make things worse, her family had been dragged into the issue. But no matter how hard the intrigues can get, nothing could beat the level-headed Judy Ann. She was compared so many times with her contemporaries, but to put a fine point to it, here's what she has to say about it.
Actually, lahat sila, kaibigan ko sila na. She's my friend. Actually, before nung wala pang nangyayaring mga anggulong ganyan, we used to go out. Si Glodine, I never got the chance to go out with her. Once lang. Actually, kaming tatlo yung napapagkumpara kasi lahat kami nagkaroon ng mga iba't ibang love teams and we all had our own shows before. Nagkataon lang na lumipat si Julina and kami ni Claudine na iwan.
What do you think makes it different?
Maybe kasi mas masabi kong mas gusto ko yung may action.
With Judai's huge talent in acting, she could have reaped all the acting awards. But for this young actress, an award is not the basis anymore of an artist's excellence.
Sayang yung effort ng lahat ng tao, 'di ba? Kung gamitan lang 'to. And it doesn't work that way. Kasi may mga taong ang passion talaga pag-arte. So sana parang sa akin bilang isang artista, I hope you would respect our passion. And I'm sure naman na nag-enjoy din sila sa ginagawa namin kasi the mere fact na nagiging blockbusters yung mga pelikulang ginagawa ng artista and for all you know, mas di ba? Mas malakas ang impluwensya ng artista kaysa politiko. Di ba? Tingnan mo mga politiko, sino yung kinukuha nila? Not for anything else, pero sa totoo na lang tayo, sino yung kinukuha nila para mangampanya? So, parang sa akin, please, pakirespeto yung trabaho namin, pakibigay sa mga taong dapat na pagbigyan and if you want to endorse something, endorse it in a nice way, don't just use the occasion or this very special nights. Para ngayon, wala nang drive yung mga artistang gumawa ng maayos na pelikula kasi yung mga award-giving bodies parang, mga ganun. I'm sure maraming magre-react sa sinasabi ko ngayon, ano? Pero, totoo kasi, and hindi po pwedeng maging ganun yun ng habang buhay kasi parang wala nang saysay para sa isang artista yung umarte ka. Kung yung mga award na pupuntahan mo, awards night na pupuntahan mo, yung mga awards night na pwede mong bilhin yung award.
That was Julianne a little more up close and personal. Nabiyak enough? Well, when Clover Story returns, Julianne tickles your heart with her stories on beauty secrets and boys. Join me in a row. Girl Talk with July after this break.
Hindi ko naman binablock yung doors ko sa kahit na sinong gustong magpakilala or, makapagkaibigan sa akin. It's just that may mga nanliligaw pero hindi consistent.
Her soaring success, every girl would dive in Julianne's shoes. But what's fascinating about her is that the phenomenal actress is not high maintenance at all. It may be unthinkable, but Judy is basically a normal 24-year-old when off cam. I was walking through the side of the The baby thought it was magnified on Silver Street. And after losing a lot of weight last year, she just laughs off all the remarks as a thing of the past. Besides, things shoved it down as not her motivation to look good. It was a string of personal problems that made her decide to reinvent herself.
It just happened. At that time kasi I was depressed. And...
Lalaki?
Hindi.
Career?
Both. Hindi. Tapos both na huli ako.
Oh, sige.
Ay, tama na to. Both. Actually, nagsama-sama na lahat ng problema ng time na yun. And masyado na akong... Siguro, yun yung tendency ng babae eh. Diba? Cut. Every week, pinapakat ko yung hair ko. And I was doing girl boxer that time. So, yung buhok ko sa girl boxer may mahaba. Kaya nakatinitas ako lagi eh. Mahaba, tas maikli, tas next mahaba na naman.
Sino naman nag-frustrate sa'yo para gupitin mo ang buhok ni Ula?
Marami. Lahat na kasi nagsabay-sabay eh. Hindi naman. Maraming problemang nagkasabay-sabay. Nung time na yon, ang naisip ko lang talaga, I'll do whatever I want to do. And the only thing that could make me happy is the decision na ako lang mismo ang makakagawa. Wala akong, parang feeling ko kasi I've been in this business for so long and ang dami ko ng taong sinusunod ng masyado. It's about time to sundin ko naman yung sarili ko and hindi na muna isipin yung, I'm not being selfish, pero feeling ko kasi masyado na ako naging mapagbigay. And it's about time na ibalik ko naman sa sarili ko yon. Hindi man nila maintindihan, eventually, maintindihan din nila yun kung bakit ko ginagawa yan.
If only Julianne was the one that chooses her leading man, there'd be a little difference. Because the men she likes to be paired with are a little more mature. Sino favorite leading man?
Tatay Ran sa FPJ.
The king, ha?
Kasi, syempre, maliban dun sa sitwasyon na nakasama mo na siya sa isang pelikula, yung idea na anak ka niya, tapos tinuturing ka talaga niya anak, saka yung pagkasama talaga wow, dati pinapanood ko lang ito, sa bait-bait pala niya. Lagi ako may pagkain sa set ng time na talagang star ako, yung gano'n, yung palaging may sariling ulam, doon ko lang na feel na ang sarap.
Let's say in the past, if you were the same age as them, sino? Yung sa sinasabi mong veteran actors. Kung ayaw mo, kung kasi na-pair off ka na sa mga bata, na the very significant actors of our generation, what about say the past?
I wanna go back dun sa time nila Lino Broca. Ishmael Bernal. So, Boyet De Leon, Bembol Rocco, Joel Torre.
And speaking of men, everybody wants to know if this girl who's obviously been lucky in money is lucky in love as well. Anything or anybody knocking on your door? I mean, even recently or even before na yung kailangan mong, teka muna, hindi pwede.
Actually, hindi ko naman binablock yung doors ko sa kahit na sinong gustong magpakilala or, makipagkaibigan sa akin. It's just that, may mga nanliligaw, pero hindi consistent. Hindi ko sila nakikitaan ng consistency. Hindi ko dinideprive yun ayoko kasi i-deprive yung sarili ko sa isang bagay na ikasisisi ko. So, parang ako, pag inspired ako sa isang tao na nandiyan dyan, gusto niya pumunta, okay lang, pumunta siya. Pero, pinapaalam ko. Kasi ayoko naman yung may nababastos akong tao. Kasi ako, ayoko na binabastos ako. Yun lang. So, I've been through a lot of love teams.
Love games. Not a lot of relationships.
Love teams.
Love teams.
Na, that is one big factor kasi why you have to, hold back a decision na you've been wanting to have pero hindi mo magawa kasi meron kang ka-love team, di ba? So, yung love team, yung pagkakaroon ng love life, decision na yun. Oh, iba talaga. Iba talaga yun. Ano naman, hindi ko inaalis kay Piolo na magkaroon siya ng love life. Same goes with me. Basta respetuhan lang.
Ang lahat ng yan sa aking totoo, ang hatid mo ay tumutunaw sa puso ko.
What about your own personal decisions when it comes to love life? I mean, any that you just didn't bother telling Alfie or your mom or your brother?
Wala akong sinasabihan. I have my best friends. My, few friends na I really trust. Pero with regards to personal life, hindi ko sinasabi kay Alfie, hindi ko sinasabi kay mommy or kay kuya. No, he doesn't get in the way at times. At times. But, he asks sometimes kung ano ba talaga. Ganyan. Oo, sinabi ko na sa'yo, chuchu. Hindi naman ako sumasagot. Siguro, ewan ko kung nakukuha niya naman yung message ko na ako lang muna to dito eh.
At 25, are you a veteran of you're a veteran of showbiz, but are you a veteran of love?
No.
Madali ka pa rin, kumbaga, madisillusion or, madali ka pa rin masway. Ganun ba yan?
Plus romantic ako eh. Hindi naman ako idealistic, but maybe because I trust too much, and yung trust ko yun, hindi ko ginagawang showbiz sa mga ka-love teams ko. Yung nakikita na tao sa akin, yun kasi ako. That's really me. And when it comes to personal feelings sa mga kapartner ko, hinahayaan ko na lang na may mangyaring something. Kung halimbawang pupunta sa isang sitwasyon na maganda, okay. Kung hindi, sana lang ipaalam muna sa akin. Ako muna.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Well, sa bagay, tapos na yun. Sa bagay, tapos na yun. Yung, for example, yung pagkakaroon lang ng girlfriend. Ng kapartner mo.
Ng love team mo.
Ng love team mo. Yung ipaalam muna, hindi naman ipaalam muna bago siya sagutin ng girl, no? Malaman mo lang na, ay nga pala, I already have a girlfriend. At least, diba, you know your limits.
What about the other way around? Yung iyong love, no, in real life, kailangan bang paalam sa'yo bago siya magka-love team?
Oo naman.
Hindi pwedeng the next day, oh, you're an item on screen.
Oo naman. Respetuhan. That's what I've been wanting to let everybody know. Yung respeto lang naman. Hindi naman ako nagde-demand na hindi ka pwedeng ganyan, hindi pwedeng ganito, ganyan. tao lang tayo eh, you know? We, no.
Of
No.
yourself or of your partner or anybody in the business.
No. I'm not. Minsan.
Judah is a hopeless romantic all around. But don't get her wrong. Sometimes she turns into a hopeful realist if you tick her off.
Kaya, yung pagiging plastic na tao. You know, I trust too much. I love too much, I trust too much, everything. So pagka halimbawa naging close ako sa'yo, ibig sabihin, I really, really treasure this friendship and you know, I just hope ikaw din.
Last question on love before we go on to mga slambok na questions. Last question on love. Are you at the point in your career na you know, you can just drop something for somebody?
Not everything siguro. It depends. It really depends. On the person na mamahalin ko and dun sa sitwasyon ko na rin.
Tsaka ano siya magiging, if ever? You know, ako, I wouldn't mind, a certain physical attribute or a mental attribute or an emotional one. What makes you say, you know, it's good to be with him?
Someone who's going to understand my work, my passion, my family, and who will accept me kung ano ako. Not because of my status or not because of the fact na pagka naging girlfriend ko to, okay, ayos to, ganyan. Hindi gano'n.
Oh, I'm sure there are a lot of people there. I don't know who, but who says na pag naging girlfriend mo si Judy Ann, para ka nakasandal sa pader. Di ba?
Wow!
Di ba? Para ka nakasandal sa bangko nun.
Oh, good luck sa kanila.
Are you very maingat when it comes to that?
Yeah, I'm a very thoughtful person with, you know, everybody, with a lot of my friends.
Let's go physical.
Physical.
Matangkad, maliit, moreno, maputi, chingito, malaki mata, tayo buhok, long hair, kalbo.
Basta malinis sa katawan, it doesn't matter kung ano itsura. Before kasi syempre yung usual na tall, dark, and handsome, kasi yun naman ang usual na sinasabi na sa slam note, di ba? Yung mabango, at saka parang sa akin kasi pagka yung physical na anyo ng tao, yung malayo pa lang ang ganda ng tignan, organized na tao, and everything, parang lahat na magkakasama na yun.
Neat, smelling good, organized. Okay, that's a tip for you guys out there. You already know how to start those sparks in the air.
What's there left for Juday? It seems that she has reached all the achievements of an actress yet so far. Her goals may be career-wise or personal ambitions when Cover Story returns.
I've always dreamed of, you know, deciding on my own, and at the same time, yung as I grow, yung mga tao sa paligid ko,
Everybody's waiting for me to arrive. Sending out a message to all of my friends. We'll be looking flashy and I'm Mercedes-Benz.
She may be the busiest body in Tinseltown, but Juday feels there's more that she can do. But more than her career, Juday shares a couple of ambitions that no acting award or a fat bank account can buy. What's on her mind? Let's take a final peek into Juday, only here at Cover Story.
The once nameless child actress has definitely rose to start. From a 10-year-old forest girl to a glamorous superstar. Here's what Julian thinks now.
Mas naging open ako sa lahat ng posibilidad na pwede mangyari. Unlike before na I'm very, contained ako sa isang lugar na I can't do this, I can't do that kasi I have these people around me na nagsasabi na, yeah, dito ka lang, good ka lang. Kasi one day, nasabi ko lang, ay nako, hindi pwedeng ganito.
And if now's the time when Juday makes major decisions about her career, she enjoys more the little choices she makes every day. What about hobbies?
Hobbies, mahilig ako sa, that's why I have Carabana. I love doing stuff like,
Mabuting-ting, crafts.
yeah,
What about sports?
sports. I do boxing. I do rock climbing, mountain climbing, diving.
You're a diver now.
Yeah, and now I'm doing Muay Thai. Yeah.
Favorite hangout? Aside from Carabana, of course.
UP.
Dun yung climbing.
Yeah, pagka madaling araw wala ng tao dun. Sunken Garden. Yeah. I love going, wala. Usually I just go there minsan si Joyce, minsan si Piolo, kasama namin. Mga grupo kami na, just, for a change, I just want a space. Big space.
Favorite food? Wala. Anything.
Siguro fruits. Fruits lang pinaka-favorite ko masasabi na mangustin.
A favorite outfit?
Jeans and white shirt and sneakers.
I always see you wearing that
Favorite pambahay clothes?
Pajama and sandal.
Hairstylist?
Hairstylist. Now, it's Jingmon's.
Where would you love to have a vacation?
Basta beach. Basta nature.
Yung skin, yung secret for skin. Kasi, hindi biro yung makeup mo mula 9 years old, ah. But you got...
Ako mag-makeup 17.
Well, what do you do with your skin?
Siguro talaga pinagpala lang ako na hindi ako mahilig. Hindi ako, ngayon na lang siguro pagka halimbawa, stress na masyado yung skin mo sa puyat and sa pollution. Ano lang, I just rest my face. And nagtatagal kasi ako talaga ng makeup agad eh.
Beauty ritual.
Ice and milk.
Ice and milk. Do you visit spas all of the time?
Oh yeah, I love going to spas. Yeah. Yeah, a haircut is my favorite, beauty regimen. Wow.
Okay, let's do a quick rundown. Quick answers.
Okay.
I just need the facts. How many boyfriends have you had? Number.
1. Serious relationship.
1 flings.
Hindi ko masabing flings kasi hindi mo malaman kung ano ba to, fling ba to, ano.
Yung kahit na MU, yung mag-un lang.
Siguro mga dalawa lang.
Describe your relationships with them. That one single serious one. Intense, passionate.
Intense. Not much on the passionate side. I was really, really young.
Age for settling down for Julian Santos.
Siguro mga 28, 29,
Children.
4. 2 boys, 2 girls.
What about, what are you gonna be? Working mom or plain housewife?
Working mom. Definitely.
What would you want to be? Lucky in love or lucky in money?
Hindi pwedeng both. I was never lucky in love, so siguro ngayon lucky in love dapat.
Describe quickly, just a few words. Wawi de Guzman.
Moody. Nakatuloy! Lord, help me!
Wawi de Guzman. Rico yan.
Hindi ko yan. Very thoughtful.
Piolo.
Piolo. Malambing.
Ding Dong Dantes.
Ding dong. Sincere. Friend. Robin. Ano yan parang, hindi naman bodyguard pero someone, a good friend. you know, you could turn to him and just...
There you have it. The actress everybody seems to admire was just uncovered here in Coffee Story. Her admirable positive outlook in life, her strength to remain grounded despite the big success, and freshly gained oozing confidence. Now we know what makes Juday Star shine.
I don't want to plan my career. Kasi yung nangyari, yung pag-reinvent sa sarili ko, it just happened. And parang now, mas naniniwala ako na everything happens for a reason and you just really have to accept your trials and everything. Kasi hindi mo na talaga pwede planuhin ang buhay mo eh. Kasi ako, before I was really planning this and that, yung focus ko talaga, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. And nung hindi ko na-reach yung dream kong yon, I was really, really frustrated. And ang daming nagbago sa akin, ang daming nawala, ang daming naging ugali ko na hindi ako talaga. So nun ko na-realize na I really can't plan everything and I can't hold this in my hand forever.
We can go on and on talking about Julianne for another full hour. But still, another extra hour won't be enough. She's one fascinating woman who has so much to share. And you just had a generous piece of Juday's life, only here in Coffee Story. Hats off to you, Julianne.
You know, what surprises me most is mga interviews like this. Lumalabas na lang yung sinasabi ko and nare-realize ko na lang na, wow, nasabi ko to. And ito siguro yung, yeah. And, and hindi ko pa kasi ma-express yung sarili ko ng naiintindihan ko na yung nangyayari. Kasi hindi ko pa talaga naiintindihan. Kaya, pag in-interview ako, a lot of the people na nakikinig sa akin, parang, ano ba? Mga ganun. Kasi yung parang hindi ko naiintindihan na gano'n yung sinabi ko. Pero hindi ko talaga na-express na maayos. Yeah. And everything is parang okay lang ako.
Everything about the stars of the Now generation, we've got covered. I'm Ryan, good to see you, and I can't wait till next week when we cover more stories and secrets only here in the Cover Story.